I'm gonna show you how to make a viral video on TikTok. Now, this is not gonna be a video where I show you what has gone viral, because that is just dumb. You can't recreate something that has already gone viral. What I am gonna do in this video is go over the key elements that all viral videos have. It's almost like a checklist so that when you go and create your next video, you are hitting all of those things. And then at the end, I show you a couple examples of videos that went viral, and we break them down and see why they went viral. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe. This channel has helped millions of creators grow on social media. So if you want to learn some more tips, make sure to follow along. Also, I recently created a free TikTok growth course. So if you want to learn more about how to grow on TikTok, go to the link in the pinned comment below and sign up for that course. It is completely free right now. I will be emailing people who sign up for the course a custom strategy that you can use to grow on TikTok. So if you want to learn more about how to grow on TikTok, go to that link right now and sign up for the course. So let's get into the video. First thing you need to do before you even start creating your video is decide on a niche or a topic. If you're trying to grow on TikTok, it is very important that you find a niche or a topic that you're going to talk about. You don't have to stick to that niche forever. In fact, most people shouldn't because you don't want to be boxed in. But when you're first starting out, it's very important to find a certain niche or topic that you're going to talk about. That way, you're able to cater to a specific audience and you're going to be able to provide value to that audience. That value is going to be perceived by TikTok's algorithm, and then it's going to push out your content to more and more people. If you're a brand, this can be difficult. Like if you're a yoga studio, you might think, well, we can't just create 100 videos about yoga because people are going to stop watching those videos. Well, actually you could, but also you can change it up. Maybe you can do a yoga flow one day. Maybe you can do a yoga studio tour the next day. Maybe you can talk about the benefits of yoga the next day. There's a lot of different ways that you can approach this. Even if you're a personal brand, if you're a comedian, you still need to pick a certain type of comedy that you're doing. Is it observational? Is it like story-based? Is it like character-based? Is it like a skit? Just give yourself a little bit of a niche so you know what you're getting into with every single video. The next thing you need to do is add trending audio. So when you're picking an audio, try to pick an audio that is popular or trending. Now, I wouldn't suggest always doing that because if you're trying to build a brand, you kind of want your audio to be recognizable with your brand. But when you're first starting out, you want to jump on a trend, especially if you're a brand new account. Here's how you can find trending audio. If you go to the Discover page, you can see sounds and then you can see what's trending. Another way to find trending audio is if you look on your For You page. If you see a sound that's used multiple times, it's probably a trending sound. The easiest way to find trending sounds is by far going to the Discover page and seeing what is under the Sounds tab. Next thing you should be doing is adding a hook. Every single viral video has a hook. This is something that makes people stop and watch your video. Usually, this is visual. Think about videos with text on them. The reason why they work so well is because people scroll through TikTok and they're looking for something to visually catch their attention. If you see text that says click here if you want to find out what happens next, what are you gonna do? You're gonna click on it because your curiosity is piqued. That is exactly what you need to be doing in your videos. Is there some sort of mystery? Is there something shocking going on? Is there a before and after? Is it funny? Give people a reason to actually watch your video. Don't just expect people to watch your video without giving them any sort of incentive. Remember, you're competing for attention on TikTok. People have hundreds of videos they can choose from. Why should they choose yours? You need to give them a reason to watch your video. The next thing you need to do is make sure you're posting at the right time. The best time to post on TikTok is between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Now, this is not a hard and fast rule, but it's a really good rule of thumb. You want to be posting when people are waking up. You also want to be posting around lunch, and you want to be posting around dinner time. Those are the 3 best times to post on TikTok. You should be experimenting with these times to figure out what works best for you. If you're getting low engagement on your videos, it might mean you're just posting at the wrong time. Another tip I have for you is to keep your videos short. Keep them under 20 seconds if possible. TikTok is a short-form video app. People are on there scrolling through videos, seeing what they like, seeing what they don't like, moving on. You don't want to make your videos too long. I know there are exceptions to this rule, but you want to make sure that the majority of your videos are short. Another tip I have for you is to make sure you're engaging with your audience. Be responding to comments. Do a Q&A, do a poll, do a little interaction with your audience every single day. That is going to help you grow faster, and it is going to help you create better content because you're getting direct feedback from your audience. And the last tip I have for you is to make sure you're analyzing your results. So you're posting videos and you should be changing up your videos based on the results. If one type of video works really well, you should be doing more of that. If one type of video doesn't work as well, you should be doing less of that. This is how you improve your content, and this is how you grow faster on TikTok. Now let me show you some examples of videos that went viral. The first example is this video from Netflix. Right away there's a hook. We see a woman freaking out. It's shocking. Then we hear her scream, "Is he okay?" This immediately gets our attention. Next, we need to know what happened, so we watch the rest of the video. This video was viewed 38 million times. Here's another example from the NBA. You immediately see a guy dunk the ball. It's shocking. Is he supposed to be able to do that? Next, we need to see what happens. Did he get the assist? Did he get the points? You're immediately hooked. This video was viewed for 0.8 million times. And the last example I'll show you is this one from Charli D'Amelio. She starts off the video by dancing in front of the camera. This is immediately interesting because she's a well-known TikToker. But then she stops dancing and she starts to cry. Now you're immediately hooked. What happened? Why is she crying? And then you watch the rest of the video. This video was viewed 28 million times. As you can see, all of these videos have one thing in common. They all have a hook. They all do something to get your attention. Then they provide value to that audience. That's really what it comes down to when you're trying to make a viral video. Make sure you have a hook. Make sure you're providing value to your audience, and make sure you're doing all of the other small things that will help you grow on TikTok. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, you need to follow these steps. Please smash that subscribe button. Also, I recently created a free TikTok growth course. So if you want to learn more about how to grow on TikTok, go to the link in the pinned comment below and sign up for that course. I will be emailing people who sign up for the course a custom strategy that you can use to grow on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.